Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make your own skin whitening orange peel soap. The amazing benefits of orange peel soap. First of, orange peel soap is packed with vitamin C, which help to brighten and even out your skin tone. It's also rich in antioxidant, which can help protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Another great benefits of orange peel soap is its ability to help to acne in prone skin, and the natural oils found in orange peels have anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce redness and inflammation associated with acne. An orange peel soap is also great for exfoliating your skin. The natural acids found in orange can help remove dead skin cells and unclog pores, leaving your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. So guys, if you are looking for a natural way to brighten your skin, fight acne, exfoliate and enjoy an amazing scent, then orange peel soap is definitely worth trying out. For making soap, first you will need to gather your ingredient. You will need some melt and poured soap base, orange peel powder and a few drops of orange essential oil for fragrance. It's optional. Next you will want to set up your double boiler. Simply fill a pot and with some water and place a heat safe ball on top. Then add your soap base to the ball and let it melt slowly over low heat. So once your soap base has melted, it's time to add in your orange peel powder. I recommended using about 2 tablespoons of powder of every cup of soap base. Mix everything together well until the powder is fully incorporated into the soap base. Then add in a few drops of orange essential oil for fragrance. It's optional. Now it's time to pour your soap mixture into your soap mold. You can use any mold you like. Let your soap cool and harden for a few hours before removing it from the mold. That's it. You have now your own homemade skin whitening orange peel soap that's gently on the skin and smell amazing. So there you have it, guys, a quick and easy way to make your own skin whitening orange peel soap at home using a double boiler and orange peel powder. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.